Hello traders, I want to show you a very simple and easy way to trade the grains. I'm looking at corn on the 31st of May, and I've got it on a 3-minute chart. You can use a 1-minute chart, whatever you happen to like. But the basics of this are we look at the first 30 minutes of trading. We'll go ahead and scroll forward. And so you look from the grains open up at 9:30 Central, so 10:30 Eastern, and so you're going to look at the first 30 minutes of price action. You take the high and the low, and you're going to look for a breakout of the high and low in this first 30 minutes of price action. So we do that. Let's get my entry here, and again there's the swing high, and so I've got basically either a stop or I've got an entry to go long here, I've got an entry to go short here, and in this case the short triggers in. Now if you didn't round below the 57, you would have triggered in on one of these spikes and taken a little bit of heat, but if you did go down 1 cent below or 2/10 below the 57, then you wouldn't have triggered in yet. And just to give you an idea on price action, your risk, again, this range is 7 cents, and 7 cents is $50 a cent per contract, so that's $350. So basically I'm looking to risk $350 to make probably at least double that. So again, I'm going to take off half my position at 7 cents into the money. And so you can see right here, the market does trigger you in on the short, so this will become your stop, and then it goes right on down to your first position. So exit half your position, and let's see how much more we can get. You can also then move your stop down to your entry. Give yourself now a break even on the rest of the position, and again I'm looking for another 7 cents if I can get it. Another portion of the box. It does come down, spikes me right on down to it. So at that point in time, do you go ahead and exit, mark it out? You can do that, or you can see if it will continue to push on down. At that point in time, it touched my exit, so I would bring my stop down to my 1x. Again, so I'm locking in more, so I'm locking in another $350 depending on what this market does. And so then it just kind of hovers around, does not hit my early exit stop. And then at the end of the day, which is at 1:15 Central, you're going to exit your position. You do need to be careful with grains, because grains can go limit up or limit down, and you can check the CME site, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange site, and just kind of check and see what are the up and down limits. But again, we're not looking to swing trade this. We're just in it for the day, so your stop is protected, but you don't want to carry this overnight, because this won't start trading again until tomorrow morning, and again it could open up way up here, and so your stop wasn't even a factor. So again, best to just keep this as a simple day trade. So today was an excellent example, perfect example, show you just how easy and simple. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes, and you put your trade on and then just go about your business and see what happens, because you are protected with your stop and your targets. So I hope you enjoyed. Good trading.